Ma'am.
Hello everyone.
Good day. Hello, ma'am.
Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day to all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. You're most welcome. Okay, I request everybody to turn on the camera. Meher, Goranshi, please turn on your camera. Okay. So, are you ready to celebrate today's day?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what would you like to do? What would you like to do? Do you have have you prepared something? Have you prepared something as I announced yesterday in the class? No, nothing. You have. Okay. Okay. First of all, let me know those who have prepared something to perform today. Nityansh. Nityansh.
Ma'am.
Don't you have anything?
Ma'am, I am going to sing a song.
Okay. You are going to sing a song. Okay. Ananya.
Nothing I prepared.
Oh my God. It's your
Ma'am?
day, all of you. And you all are looking so
prepared.
lazy. You are looking so lazy.
You prepared for children's. You prepared.
Okay, I should have prepared. Who is saying
Yes.
this? Oh,
Ma'am,
Ananya. Okay, what do you want me to do? I'm ready to do whatever you demand. I'll do it.
Ma'am, you will not eat mangoes for 1 year.
Mangoes for 1 year.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I will not eat. And
So
anything
make
else?
a record of it.
Of course, it is being recorded. This statement is being recorded. And
Song. Song. And
I should sing a song. I should sing a song.
excuse me, ma'am. I should sing
Okay. Okay, Abhya wants to sing a song. Abhya wants to sing a song. Nityansh will sing a song. Yes,
Ma'am, I want
Nityansh.
to say something.
Okay, go for it.
After the class, I am giving you a day.
After the class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm saying
Okay.
after the class, you have to live in your balcony for 4 or 5 hours.
4 or 5 hours. It's not a big deal because I live just beside the
Without
road.
going washroom.
It is gonna be difficult for me.
That's why I
But what? Okay, so we are here for celebrating, or you all are here for torturing me? Huh? You are not to eat mangoes for 1 year. You are to live in the balcony without going washroom. So means we are celebrating Children's Day or torturing day? What we are celebrating here?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am, I give you one thing. You live in bathroom for 24 hours.
No. Then okay, fine. Then I'll not teach your class for that particular day. Will it okay?
Okay, no problem. For you.
What? Pardon?
Ma'am, I give you a challenge. You should teach. Ma'am, you teach us today for 24 hours.
Okay, I think we are talking little different, which is not going to match with the occasion. Okay, you all are here for just giving me challenges and tasks. So we are not here for doing it. Okay, today we are here to enjoy. Okay, mute your mic, please. Now let me speak. Everybody, mute your mic, please.
Play a game.
Yeah, we will play a game. Okay, the way you all are giving me tasks, I will just finish the meeting right now. I'll just finish it because we are here. We are here for we are here for celebrating. But you all are just giving me a task and some dares and all. Okay, so we are not here for that. Okay, we are just here for having fun because it's Children's Day today.
Ma'am?
Okay. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I know
Ananya.
why you tell me, why you tell everyone this.
What? What I told?
You don't do.
No, no. Let it go, Ananya. Let it go. Okay, fine. So, now let's start to play something. So we are going to start the celebration with a game. Okay, one chotu sa game we are going to play, which I have already made you play in your classes. Okay, the letters one. Okay, I'll write some of the letters on my fingers. Okay, and you are to tell me 5 meanings in few seconds. Okay. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Understood. Ma'am,
Yes, Ananya.
we tell our letters meaning and names.
Only words I want. Only words I want. Okay. M
Okay,
for
ma'am.
mango. Okay. M
Okay,
for
ma'am.
man. Okay. Just like
Okay,
this.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. Okay. So I am just writing on my fingers. Yeah.
Can you also tell the names?
No, I'll come everybody one by one and you are to tell. Okay. Who
No,
those
ma'am.
will.
I'm saying that if we choose a letter and then can we say a name of that letter?
No, okay. Any person's name you are talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
No, no. You are not to speak any person's name or any city's name. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Except both these things you can.
Excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ananya.
we say letters name things and animal also with cities.
Only things, animals, not cities, not anybody, any person's name. Okay. That's it.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
mute your mic, everybody. Okay, so now I have written already 5 letters on my fingers. So first 5 letters I would like to take name of Nishchal. So Nishchal, choose any one finger.
Ma'am, second one.
Second one, this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So the letter is U.
You.
Yes.
Ma'am.
So I'll get.
Uncle.
Wait. You have only 20 seconds to tell 5 words, okay? And your time starts now.
Ma'am, uncle, ma'am, umbrella. And umbrella and ma'am, universe. Universe and
Time is up. Time is up. Time's up. Time's up. Okay, fine. So only 3 out of the game. Now next candidate.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Raghav.
Good
Okay, next
afternoon,
candidate
ma'am.
is Meher. Next candidate is Meher. Please mute your mic, kids. Okay, next is Meher. So Meher, Nishal has already chosen the second one. Now you choose anyone.
Ma'am, thumbs.
Thumb. Ooh. So do you know you have only 20 seconds? Okay. So thumb is having Q. Your time starts now, Meher.
Queen. Quit. Quit. And quick. And quiz.
And quiz. Oh, good. Good, Meher. Okay, Meher could score 5 out of 5. Very nice. Very good. Clap for Meher, everybody. Good. Very good, Meher. Very well played. Okay. Now, next is Ananya. Ananya, now you choose anyone. Quickly.
Ma'am, middle one.
This one. Okay. So your letter is P and your time starts now.
Parrot. Papaya. Phone. Pouch.
Time is up. Time is up. Only 3. No more in the game. No, 3 will be considered. No. Okay. Next is Shashwat. It's you. Okay. So Shashwat, I have 2. You are having 2 options. Choose anyone.
And the first one.
The first one. Okay. So the first one is having N. Letter N. Okay. And your time starts now.
Night. Neem. And nut. And ma'am, you're muted.
Sorry, my mic was muted. So time was out. Shashwat, you could speak only 3. So you are also out of the game. Only. So next one is Nityansh. Nityansh, you are not having any choice. The last one letter, that is L for you. Your time starts now.
Lotus.
Okay.
Love.
Love. Okay.
Lily.
Okay.
Knife.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Nityansh. Very good. Nice. Good. Fantastic. Okay. So now these 5 have completed and I'm just crossing all these 5 and writing some other 5 letters for other students. Okay. So the next one I am writing. Let me write some difficult one. Okay. So here I have written. I have just cutted the rest one. So next is Mayank. Mayank.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute. Yes. So Mayank, your which one finger you would like to choose?
Ma'am, thumb.
Thumb. Okay. So your letter is B. Okay. Your time starts now, Mayank.
Banyan tree.
Okay.
Bank.
Okay.
And boxing.
Okay.
Balloon.
Time is up. Only 4 you could speak. You are also not there in the game ahead. Okay. Now, next student, Janvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Janvi, you choose any one finger.
Ma'am, middle one.
This one. Okay. So your letter is M. Okay. And your time starts now.
Man, mango, and Mumbai, Manning, monkey, and
Okay. Time is up. Time is up. Okay. Mumbai was not considered. So only 3 words you could tell. Okay. And 3, then you are no more in the game ahead. Okay. So next is Garanshi. Garanshi, it's your turn now. So Garanshi, choose anyone among these.
man first.
First one, okay. So Garanshi, your letter is K, okay? And your time starts now.
Man, kite, kangaroo,
Yeah. Yes.
knife,
Okay. Time is up. Garanshi, you could tell only 3. Okay. So you are also not going ahead. Okay. Now next is Anika. Anika. Yes. So Anika, you choose any one. Oh, 2 are sorry. Okay. So choose any one.
and last one.
Last one. Okay. So the last one is having letter T. Okay. And your time starts now.
Tomato, tiger, tomato, tiger,
Tomato, tiger.
torch,
Okay. Somebody is helping you. Don't take anybody's help. I can hear the voice. Time is up. Time is up. Only 3 are there. Well tried, but not going ahead. Okay. Now next one is who is there? Yeah, Shreya is there. So Shreya, you are not having options. Only the last finger of this round, and it is having letter O. Okay. So your time starts now.
orange, orange, oil,
Time is up. Orange and oil. Time is up, Shreya. Okay, so not going ahead. Yeah, it is tough. It is tough. I know. So now, a few more students are left. So I am writing some more letters for them, and only Meher and Nityansh could tell. Now let's see who would be the third one. Okay, so yes. So here I'm writing. Okay, so here let's ask. Okay, Ridhima, I'll come to you in the last. Okay, I'll come to you in the last. Okay, Ridhima? Yes. Okay. So here, Raghav. Choose anyone.
thumb.
Thumb. Okay. So already thumb is having 2 more letters. So let me show you this third one. So it is having G. Okay, the letter is G and your time starts now.
Grapes,
Okay.
glass,
Okay.
Gupta. Grocery.
Time is up. Raghav, time's up. Now look at Shashwat. Raghav, look at the Shashwat. He was not that much unhappy when he could not tell. But this time, when you were unable to tell, he's looking so happy. Look at his face. Look at his face. Okay. So now next one is Abhya. Abhya, you choose any one finger.
Yes, ma'am. I choose. Ma'am, first one.
First one. Okay, it is having
Hello, ma'am.
again.
Hello,
Okay.
ma'am.
Oh, Divyanka has come. Divyanka, we are playing your favorite game. The letter one. Okay, welcome Divyanka and just be there in the meeting. Okay. Okay. So your letter is Abhya. Abhya, your letter is C. Okay. And your time starts now.
Cat, camp, cat, camp, coconut,
Okay. Okay.
cold.
Very good. Very good. Very good. We got the third one candidate who's going for the next round. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So in 17 seconds you told. Okay. So now it's Ridhima's turn. Ridhima, now this is your turn and Divyanka, I will come to you in the last. Okay. So Ridhima, you have three options. Choose any one. Somebody's mic is on unmute mode. Please mute your mic.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Just mute your. I'll excuse you after the game. Okay. Yes, Ridhima, choose any one finger.
Ma'am, second one.
Second one. Okay. Oh, Ridhima, it is having the letter by which my name starts. D. Okay. So your time starts now, Ridhima.
D for dog, D for duck, D for does, D for doll, D for divide, D for
You have already told 5, Ridhima. You have already told 5 under the time. Very good. So we have got fourth one candidate for the second round. Very good. Okay. Now the last one, the Chotu packet of the class. Divyanka. Now you are left. So Divyanka, you are having only 2 choice. Okay, choose any one. Little one. Okay. So Divyanka, little one. Now Divyanka, listen Divyanka, you came late. So let me tell you, you will be having only 20 seconds to tell 5 words. Okay?
Ma'am, कौन सा word? Which letter?
I'm telling you the letter. Okay? I'm telling you the letter. So the letter of yours is F. Okay? And your time starts now.
F for frog, F for fish, F for flower, F for fan, F for family, F for fuck.
Very good. We got 5th one also. So 5 are there in the second round. Good. Very good. So clap for Meher, Nityansh, Ridhima, Divyanka and Abhya. Very good. Very well played. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So in the second round, you are to tell 5 words. Yes, you are excused. Who is asking me to be?
I can close my class to play in second round.
What, Shreya?
Ma'am, I want to play in second round.
No, who those have won the first one, only those 5 students will be there in the second. It's okay. We will have masti after completing it. Okay. Okay. So in the second round, what you are to do now? Listen, Divyanka. Now listen. Okay, everybody, just mute your mic. So in the second round, I'll give you only 15 seconds. Okay, only 15 seconds I'll give you, and within 15 seconds you are to tell 5 words, and some of the letters I'll give you. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. So your letters now, this time I'm writing by another color because already blue, too much blue is there. So the letter is okay. 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 And okay. And the difficult one is now coming in my mind. Okay. So next is yeah, got it. So now I'm ready with my 5 letters. So the first one, Meher. Okay, unmute your mic, Meher, and choose any one. Choose any one finger.
Ma'am, first
Do
one.
it fast. First one. Okay. So it is having the letter I. Okay.
I.
You have 15 seconds only. Your time starts now.
Ink, ink, ice cream, and ice, and igloo, and
Time is up. You could tell 4. Okay, out of the game now. We are having only next 4 candidates here. So next is Abhya. Abhya, now you unmute your mic and choose any one. Now you choose any one finger. Don't choose the first one. Meher has already chosen.
Ma'am, middle one.
Middle one. Okay. So Abhya, it is having letter H. Okay. And your time starts now.
And house, and house, and
Very good.
heritage.
Time is up. Time is up. Time is up. Only 3. No. Oh, it was already done. 16 were there. Okay. When you spoke the last one, only 3 were there. Okay. So we are also not in the game now. Okay. Let's go to the another candidate, Nityansh. Now your turn.
And last one.
Last one. Okay.
No.
So last one is, let's see what it is having. So here it's W, and your time starts now.
White, digit, verse, bid, while,
Time is up.
what?
Time is up. Time is up. Time is up.
Ma'am, I
Time
am
is up.
sad.
You are sad. Now, no need to cry over spilled milk, Nityansh. Okay. Now,
5.
Yeah, you have said 5 already within 15 seconds. Okay, so let's see if somebody can also do it. Otherwise, I'll declare you the winner of this game. Okay, so Ridhima and Divyanka is left. So, sorry, they both are left. Now, Ridhima, unmute your mic. It's your turn. Okay, so choose anyone. This one, thumb or the ring finger.
Thumb.
Which one? Thumb. Okay. So Ridhima, thumb is having S. Okay, and your time starts now.
S for Sunday, S for sun, S for sheep, S for six, S for 7.
Time is up. Time is up. Kinshuk said 7. Okay, you could tell only 4. Oh. Okay, now Divyanka is the last one. Let's see. So Divyanka, little finger already Nityansh Bhaiya has chosen. Now you don't have any other option, Divyanka. The last letter for you is J. And your time starts now.
J for Jack, J for Jack, J for Jack, J for jungle.
No place, no person's name. Time is up. Time is up. Okay, so finally we got the winner of the game, that is Nityansh Bharadwaj. So clap for the winner. Very good. Very well played, Nityansh. Very good. Everybody, I'm asking to everybody to clap. Clap for him. He won. Okay, so now this is the time to do masti. We have played game. Now we will do dance, singing, jokes and all. Okay, so for that everybody just rejoin the class because we have completed 40 minutes right here. So come and rejoin.
Ma'am, but you